Alright guys, now we're going to tire into the rear end, the back axle here. I've already got the hub off, so I'm basically just going to take all this apart, disconnect the emergency brake cable, disconnect the drive shaft, and pull this rear axle out. So let's do that. And oh yeah, here's a bunny rabbit. It's going to be the helper today. Alright, so now I'm going to go under here. I've already got the drive shaft loose. I tried to film that, but I just didn't have enough room to do it all by myself. But got the drive shaft loose, so now alright, so here's what I'm going to try. This is the same way I took the other axle out. I'm just going to roll it on this and hopefully balance it correctly and not bash anything on the car. Pretty big chanks, but it's kind of my only option. So here we go.
Even when it's fake.
Alright, so that worked out a lot easier for me by doing it that way. Again, I'm assuming that's the way it probably needed to be done anyway. But I didn't have to drop the leaf springs, didn't have to fool with the shackles. But it's in, it's on the notches, it's centered up like it's supposed to be. So next thing I'm going to do, I think I'll just go ahead and clean these braces up, paint them black. Then I got to put the brakes together, run some new brake lines. We'll get to that in the next episode, because that's going to be a little bit of work. So this concludes the last version, or I should say the last episode of Project Woo. So I appreciate you guys watching, share my videos everywhere. I need all the views I can get. Kind of helps this little project keep on going. But anyway, ladies and gentlemen, thanks for watching Project Woo!